realize the need of women. You get married 4 or 5 times. It's always the sickness. Oh, it must be good. You know? We can see once or twice you make a mistake with the wrong person. You mistake with the wrong person, but of course, you know. Yeah, so he got something. Damn, yeah. Wow. See what I'm saying? Yeah. That means something. Yeah, y'all still doing something. Still got some logs in my life. You know? Got some